Hey everyone, today I am making cranberry sauce. I made a couple of jars a few days ago and these will be used for Christmas, but I had the rest of these bags in the freezer and I want to try and clean my freezer out because there's far too much in it, and I thought if I do these into a few jars and water bath them, I'll have them for the summer, because one of the recipes I like to do in the spring and summer is a picnic pie which has cranberry in it, and it's always lovely to have it already made. I don't think I've got any little jars, there's any problem left. I think I've used them all, so I am going to have a look and see what I've got and see how much I can make with what I have here. And it's very chilly today, hence why I'm in my jumper, but I'm hoping the cooking will warm the kitchen up a bit. I think I'm going to get a bigger pan than this before I do anything else, because it's going to overflow. So I've got just over 1,000 grams in there. So I'm going to upscale what my normal recipe is, which I normally use about 250 grams. So I'm just going to do that a little bit more than that, and I'm going to measure out the sugar. So I need 4 times the amount of sugar. Let me just pop that into a bowl. Okay, so there's the sugar. Okay. So we're going to bring this to the boil and make sure that sugar's dissolved. So I moved the pot onto a bigger burner because it just was taking a while. So it's just coming up to a boil now, and then I'm going to reduce the heat and let that simmer for 10 minutes. So I am going to take this off now. This has been cooking for, I did it for an extra 10 minutes. If you want to add anything in, like some cinnamon or any other flavourings, now would be a good time to do that. If you want a slightly firmer set to your cranberry sauce, just cook it for an extra few minutes. Be careful not to overdo it. You don't want the liquid to evaporate too much, otherwise it will set too much. And though this looks quite liquid at the moment, once it cools down, it's going to be perfect for what I want. I really love the idea of making more of my own condiments, and I'm going to start, I think it's going to be my New Year's resolution, to do a lot more of that. I hate wasting things, and I always find that I can never get through things like horseradish or mint sauce before I have to throw them away. What are some of the things that you love to make that you think are going to be really hard but actually are so simple? So these now are going into a water bath for about 10 minutes, and then that will keep them for a lot longer. And this is some that I decided to have in a sandwich for lunch, and it's not cooled down yet, which is why it's very liquidy. But if you have never tried a cranberry with cheese, and I've got pastrami here, but bacon it goes really well with, you have to try it. It's a fantastic combination. We all know about brie or camembert and cranberry, but any cheese it goes so well with. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Teresa and I deal with all the food on this channel. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.